I'm from Troop 4310, and I'm doing a banana boat for part of my Silver Award project. What you do first is you go to one of these, like, things that come up, and you take a knife, and you cut along here, and then you cut it again on the other side. And then you peel this off, and actually that needs to be a little bit bigger. So, not that big. And then you slice down the middle, and you peel it open. And then you stuff chocolate chips and marshmallows inside. And then, so just like put as many marshmallows as you want and as many chocolate chips as you want, as long as they fit. And so you put like marshmallows along the length of it. And then you stuff some more chocolate chips in there. You gotta make it nice and chocolatey. And then you take off the extra, pretty much. And you wrap it up like so, and wrap it up good, because if it spills then it will charcoal and it won't taste good and it will just be bad. And so you put it in the coals of the fire for about 10 minutes and it should taste really good. Hi! You just put the banana in the coals for like 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like when it's done. I know it looks a little bit disgusting right now, but it really does look good. So this is what it's supposed to look like, and if you do it wrong, then this is what it looks like. So it's probably gonna taste okay still, but this is what it's supposed to look like, and it tastes delicious.